I'm here today to talk to you about lights. Underwater lights. Lights for your water feature. Now these LED lights from Aquascape are a surefire way to improve your garden today. This here is the Aquascape Garden and Pond 1W LED waterfall and up light. It combines style and simplicity while adding depth and dimensions to your waterfalls and ponds. The low profile compact design makes it ideal for tucking into small places, including in or around waterfalls, streams and overhangs or behind cascading waters. And even with the energy problems we find ourselves in today, Aquascape's LED lights are extremely energy efficient, minimising energy costs and providing a 90% savings on comparable halogen lighting. The fixture features a powerful LED diode equivalent to a 10-watt halogen light. The die-cast metal housing with a protective coating provides a durable finish that holds up in all weather conditions. These lights are permanently sealed and watertight, and they can be installed fully submerged, in water or any other traditional landscape settings. And this one here is the Aquascape 4.5-watt LED colour changing spotlight, which provides impressive lighting for ponds, waterfalls and other water features, adding beauty and elegance by bringing it to life at night. The fixture features high output colour changing diodes and powerful warm white diodes, allowing you to wirelessly select a wide array of colour options, including a 3000 Kelvin true white colour. Optical lenses positioned over the diodes provide extremely powerful light output. And Aquascape's colour changing spotlights include a 5-year limited warranty. Aquascape is passionate about the products they produce, providing unique products, designs and features that go above the competition. Now why should you invest in these different forms of lights? Well, they completely change a water feature at night and allow you to view the beauty of your water feature at all times of the day. And they are both available now, along with many others, on our website.